Breaking news: the Constitutional Court of South Africa has declared a key parliamentary rule unconstitutional, and this decision could completely change how future impeachment cases against a president are handled in South Africa. Here's what we know so far. The court ruled that the National Assembly should never have had the power to vote on whether a Section 89 panel report gets sent to an impeachment committee. According to the judges, that process goes against the Constitution itself. What's interesting is this ruling directly impacts the controversial Phala Phala scandal involving President Cyril Ramaphosa. Back in December 2022, an independent Section 89 panel investigated Ramaphosa's actions linked to the Phala Phala matter. The panel found there may have been violations of his oath of office, along with possible breaches of anti-corruption laws. Then this happened. The ruling party, the ANC, used its majority in Parliament to reject the report before it could move to a full impeachment inquiry. That decision was based on Rule 129I, which allowed members of Parliament to vote on whether the report should continue to the next stage. But here's where things get serious. Chief Justice Mandisa Maya has now ruled that this exact rule is invalid and unconstitutional. In simple terms, the court says that if a Section 89 panel finds enough evidence against a president, the matter must automatically proceed to an impeachment committee, without political parties blocking it through a parliamentary vote. This is where it gets even more interesting. The Constitutional Court has also directed Parliament to establish an impeachment committee against Ramaphosa. That means this political battle could be entering a completely new phase. What's interesting is many people are now questioning whether political majorities should ever be allowed to shield a sitting president from accountability. Others believe this ruling strengthens democracy by making impeachment processes more independent and constitutional. And honestly, this decision could have major consequences for future presidents in South Africa. It may limit the ability of political parties to use their numbers in Parliament to stop impeachment proceedings from moving forward. So what does this mean? In my opinion, this ruling could become one of the most significant constitutional decisions in recent South African political history. It changes the rules of accountability at the highest level of government and could reshape how presidential misconduct cases are handled going forward.